Our boss is here closing deals all day long while supervising the loading of another 200 metric ton of palm kernel expeller. As you can see, very nice color, very good smell, very good quality, very low level of shell, which is definitely a no-no for this product. So we make sure that we certify that the product that we are sending to our clients is of good quality. We already rejected a few tons from previous suppliers, factories in this case, because their machines were not in the proper conditions, so we had to refuse them. But now we make sure that all the product that we send, every single kilo that we send to our clients are of good quality, so we maintain our good name in the market. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.